How to generate ChatGPT API key for your project. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for OpenAI API key. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this page. First of all, you need to log into your account, so tap on login. If you don't have an account, you need to make one. In order to log into your account, here enter your email address and then tap on continue. Now enter the password of your account. Once you are done, tap on continue. It will take you to this page. Now here you can see that I have generated one API key. Now in order to generate a new API key, all you have to do is tap on this create new secret key. And then here you just need to tap on create secret key. There you go, your new API key has been generated successfully. Now you need to copy and paste the secret key in the safe place. Once you go back, you won't be able to view it again. So you just need to copy it right now and paste it somewhere. Also, please don't give this secret key to anyone for the security purpose. You can click on done. There you can see that you have generated 2 API keys. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to generate ChatGPT API key for your project. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.